Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here. We are in a rush to film today because I have a meeting in 15 minutes. And sorry if I seem a little off. I had a strange quesadilla for lunch that's not sitting in my tummy very well. So I'm like a little wool. And my face is only half on because I got a call in the middle of doing my makeup, and now I have no time to film. So we are going to film this video, and it is going to get out today even if it's at nighttime. So I have got my December Medusa's makeup subscription here, and I've already opened it, as you can see. Let's get cracking to see what's in here. Now the first thing I want to show you guys is something that came in last month's box. This is the Pink Glow Peony Botanical, it's the highlighter stick thing that came in last month's box. I emailed them to let them know that mine was damaged, and they sent me this one. They emailed and said they'd put it in this month's box, and they sure as heck did. So I just want to share that. Customer service was great. Next, let's go ahead and look at the little flyers that came. Just a little leave us a review, follow us on Instagram card. And then they sent out this new brochure. I guess this is something new they're sending out with orders. It's got pictures of all their items and then pictures of pretty women wearing their items. Very nice. And then we have our card for the month, and it says Happy Makeup Hour. So, like happy hour, but with makeup. And it is our holiday box. So it looks like we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in this box. So let's go, or this is really a bag. Let's go ahead and look. The first is this headband. Let's see. This is the Medusa's Spa Day headband, an $8 value. It looks like you could get it in a couple of colors. Yeah, it says assorted colors. There's a pink one on the card. I got this very, very powder blue one, which is very pretty. And this is super cute. I would definitely wear this to do my evening skincare. Adorable. Not something I'd buy myself, but I like getting things like this because they're just kind of cute. So I'm happy with that. Now let's open the makeup. The first thing we have is the Medusa's Makeup Cotton Candy Lip Scrub. I thought it was glitter at first. It looks like glitter, but it is a lip scrub. Cool. Let's see. It's based from sugar. So this is a $10 value. This is a little container for $10, but very interesting. Definitely something I'll use. I'm using a milk makeup one right now. It smells good. I don't know that I'd call that cotton candy scent, but it smells really good. Next item, let's dig in here. This is the liquid eyeshadow. I've got one of these in the blue color. It says we're getting the color Ava, and it's a $14 value. So here's the color. It is beautiful. Nice, beautiful neutral. Go ahead and swatch that on my hand. It's so pretty. It's really pretty. Oh my god, I love that color. Love that. So very pleased with this. We're 3 for 3 this month. I am liking these. So then we have a lip product, a liquid lipstick, Atomic Makeup Silky Matte Lipstick. So Atomic Makeup must be our collaborative brand this month. This is in the color Brick City. Everyone's getting that color. And it's a $14 value. Oh yeah, that's a brick color. It looks really like orangey brown. It looks a little less brown on the hand. So there's the swatch of that. Oh, but it's looking really brown on camera. Interesting. That's a really pretty color too. I could see why they put these together because these would look really nice together. And then the last product, which has really cute packaging. Look at the florals. It's also from Peony, which is where that highlighter stick is from last month. It's a shadow trio. This looks like a little pack of gum or something. Eyeshadow palette. Does it have a color? Let's see. Yeah, it just says Peony Eyeshadow Trio Shadow Palette. It's an $18 value. This is very tiny for $18. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, here's what it looks like. Let's open it up. And here are our shadow colors. Really nice. Let me go ahead and swatch the 3 of these. This would be nice to travel with because you could make a look with the 3 of these. Oh, they're very pigmented. So there are our colors on my hand right there. Very pretty. I like that. Was this a perfect box? Like, hold up. Was this a perfect subscription month? I think it was. I think this was a perfect subscription month. I like every single item included in this. Now that said, I don't think this is an $18 value, whether they price it that way or not. This is tiny. Like, it's the length of my nose. Come on, this is little. Aside from that, I'm very impressed. I'm really liking these products. So that is the Medusa's Makeup December box. You will definitely see me wearing these products over the course of the next month. I would love to show them to you because they all seem really cool. And if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!